Hello, good day and welcome. Today we'll be dealing with WAEC 2019 Maths Pass question 14. It says evaluate 0.42 divided by 2.5 all over 0.5 multiplied by 2.05. Now the question is asking us to leave our answers in standard form. So you can actually use your calculator to punch this one, 2.5 all over, but the main thing is to leave your answer in standard form times 2.05. So you say what is 0.42 divided by 2.5? We have 0.168, 0.168. Now everything divided by 0.5 but multiplied by 2.05. Now 0.5 multiplied by 2.05 gives us 1.025. So we have 1.025. Now this particular 0.168 divided by 0.125 gives you 0.1639. so this is 0.1639. Now the question is saying we should leave our answer in standard form. So in standard form, this is what we'll have. You move it here once, so this is 1. Since you are moving it to this place, it is if you are moving it forward, it will carry a negative sign. The power will carry a negative sign. If you are moving it backward, it will carry a positive sign. So forward is what? A negative sign, and backward is what? A positive sign. So now our answer to this particular question will actually be 1.639 times 10 raised to the power of minus 1. That's option C. 1.639 times 10 raised to the power of minus 9. And that's the answer to this particular question. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos.